I was looking for a budget wireless microphone and consider a few options: Hollyland Lark M2 and DJI Mic 2, as well as the new Godox mic that is a bit cheaper than these two options. But I ended up getting Hollyland Lark 2 because of the form factor and how easy it is to carry around, and very small form factor of the transmitter. Let's go ahead and unbox and see what we have got here. This is the camera plus phone variant, which comes with all the adapters with additional 2000 rupees. I think this is worth the price. We have some instructions and warranty cards. So this is the main carrying case, and also the single transmitter version of DJI mic was coming around at 21,000. And it doesn't have the charging and carrying case. This option more usable for me. So we have two phone adapters, one for Android, one for older iOS devices. So we have got these magnetic clips, two of them, a USB-C cable, and one cable to connect the camera, two wind mufflers, and these nice magnetic necklaces. They look quite nice. You can just attach your transmitter to these. This is the main charging case and carrying case. You have one camera receiver and two coin-sized transmitters. Along with these, Hollyland also has provided the stickers. If you don't want to show the Hollyland logo, you can use the stickers. It's quite nice, I guess. And we get this nice carry case to keep everything in it. I think for the price, this is a very comprehensive package. I'll make a separate review video with samples. Please look out for that video and let me know in comment section what you think. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.